little crazy, little sexy, little cool.
What's up, wannabe here? So before we get into this video, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you are notified whenever I post a video. It is next to the subscribe button, and you want to make sure you subscribe, and also make sure you click all so that you get the notification when I post a video. And make sure you guys are following me on my social media so you can see like pictures of my hairstyles, so you guys can tag me when you do my hairstyles, because I love to see pictures. A lot of you guys DM me pictures, so if you've ever done any of my styles, make sure you send me some pictures because I like to save them and keep them, okay? So yeah, make sure you DM me on Instagram. But as you guys see from the title of the video, we're gonna be talking about this bomb drawstring. Can you guys believe like this is a drawstring? Like, what? It looks so good, and this is from Betterlength. You guys know I have worked with them multiple times here on my channel. You guys know I really do like their clip-ins and things like that, and you guys are always asking me questions about their clip-ins, and now they've come out with drawstring ponytail. What's poppin'? Okay, so now you can get you a little ponytail. No, but this is not a little ponytail, this is a big ponytail, and it is so pretty. I really like how full it is. They did a really good job with this ponytail, so you guys are gonna see me install it, and like throughout the video you will hear my thoughts about it. But I'm very impressed. That's what I have to say. It's very full, because a lot of times when you get drawstring ponytails, they're not that full, they're not giving a lot of hair, and I want hair. Like, that's why I'm buying a ponytail, because I want the hair, right? I mean, I want the look. I want this big look, and the curl pattern is so pretty, and it matches with my curl pattern. So I really like it. So make sure you guys look in the description box, use the coupon code and everything like that, so you guys can get a discount off of this. But my first thoughts of it is I really like it. It's definitely going to be a staple, and I definitely will be doing more styles with this ponytail. So if you guys want to see me do more styles with it, just let me know. But yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright, so let's get started. I'm starting off on like shrunken hair or whatever. So I'm just taking my spray bottle that's mixed with conditioner, and I'm spraying that all over my hair to loosen it up a bit. And I'm just taking my wide tooth comb, and I'm making a curved part kind of like towards the side of my head. And then I'm going to make another part on the opposite side of the first part that I made, going in the same direction. I'm just going to gather my hair to get it out of the way, because I definitely don't want my braids to get like, you know, tangled up together. And I'm just taking a smaller rat tail comb and I'm parting within the section that I made, because we're going to be putting two like curved braids there to give our ponytail a little bit more jazz, you know, jazz it up. So I'm just using your typical caniculum braiding hair. I cut it in half, and then I'm just looping two pieces of hair through each other like so. Just didn't show it, but I did put some gem at the tip where I'm about to start braiding, so that it'd be easier for me to grip. And yeah, basically you just add the hair in and French braid like you would normally braid, by just adding the hair, if that makes sense. And I'm just literally going to braid it going in a curve, making sure I'm not grabbing the other hair that I pinned away. To use braiding hair, you can use your real hair, but I use braiding hair because it made it more prominent. Because if I use my real hair, it's going to be frizzy, and the braid is going to be looking a hot mess by the morning. So yes, that's why I'm using weave, but it's up to you. Just do it how you want, you know, how you want to do it. The section that I pinned away, I'm going to do another braid within that section as well. As you guys know, this hairstyle is like popular right now. I've been seeing a lot of people do it on Instagram, so I was like, let me bring it to you guys and show you guys that us girls with shorter 4C natural hair can do this style too. Y'all know how I like to do. So yeah, I'm just braiding it like midway down. It doesn't matter how the ends look, because no one is going to see the end. And then I'm just going to use the spray bottle again on my hair to loosen it up a bit. And I'm going to be using this gel from the Dollar Tree. I really like this gel. It dries pretty fast. I'm going to put that all over the perimeter of my head. Do not get it on your braids, because you don't want to ruin those. And then I'm just going to take my brush and brush my hair up into a high ponytail. And I did leave out two pieces of hair on each side of my head so that I could do my curly cues. So I'm just going to gather my hair with the braids, and I'm going to use like a smaller hair tie to go ahead and put my hair into a ponytail, like a little bun. And then I'm going to take this Got To Be glue and put that on top because this is just going to help my hair be super sleek and to stay in place. And I'm just going to tie my scarf on it and sleep overnight like this. And this is the hair from Betterlength. It comes in this really cute bag. I love their packaging. And this is how your drawstring ponytail will come packaged if you get one, girl. And this is it straight out of the packaging. Really bomb. I actually didn't co-wash it. I just put it on. So yeah, don't be like me, don't be lazy. You can go ahead and co-wash it, but I just didn't. But if you don't, it won't hurt you. And this is the pamphlet that it comes with, just showing you how to care for your extensions. I used a mixture of gel and jam on my curlicues just to curl my hair up and get it popping so that it will match my ponytail. As you can see, this drawstring ponytail is constructed really well. It has a drawstring, 2 combs, a net, and it also has tracks, which makes it really full. So I like that about that. They did a really good job. It's really dense and I like that. So I'm just applying the combs to my ponytail and then just pulling the drawstring and wrapping it around. And I didn't secure it with a bobby pin. You guys will see why a little bit later, but I'm just making sure I'm getting it to how I want it to be. And this is why later, because I took a piece of the hair out of the ponytail and wrapped it around, and then I used a bobby pin to pin it into place. Now this ponytail is really easy to work with. It's really simple. I really like it. Now the hair on the ponytail is 100% virgin human hair, guys. That's why it looks so good. And I'm just using my fingers to like fluff it out and get it to lay how I want it to lay. But y'all, I didn't even use any product on this or anything, and look how bomb it is. And you guys can use heat on it. You can color it just like you can with your clip-ins. So I decided to add these gold accessories to my hair. You know, you can get these at your local beauty supply store. I put them on the braids, and then I also added them into the ponytail. So this is how my ponytail turned out. Betterlength really did their thing. Look how full it is, guys. It looks so bomb. It looks so great with my hair texture. It matches my curlicues, and I just love the braids. It just adds another touch to it. But yes, y'all, this is like my new favorite ponytail. It's so easy to apply, and it's way better to me than like wrapping tracks around your ponytail, because it's just a lot easier. Now moving right along, I'm going to show you guys that you can also do a bun with your ponytail. Just wrap the hair around, and I'm just like getting it together like how I want it to look, and then I'm just like pinning it down. But you really don't have to do too much pinning. I'm just doing it to like help with the shape. But y'all, this looks so good in the bun. Like, it's so massive and just so pretty and gorgeous. And I also did add the gold hair accessories just to like spice it up, but it's cute without them as well. So this is just what the ponytail looks like, well, the bun looks like from all angles. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check out Betterlength. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Make sure you use my coupon code. The ponytail will be linked below as well. And make sure you guys check out Betterlength on Instagram at Betterlength. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.